In this last part of section 2.1, we're going to be talking about order of operations, or as you may know them as PEMDAS. So first things first, you have to do everything inside the parentheses, inside the innermost grouping symbols. That's what we have here in this first step. So parentheses, brackets, go to the innermost grouping symbols. Perform those first, and then work your way out. Next thing we do our exponents. So if anything's raised to a power, raised to an exponent, we have to do that next. Then we have multiplication and division in order from left to right, and lastly, addition and subtraction in order from left to right. Let's do some examples. The first one, we have 6 times 11 plus 3 squared over 8. Well, I got to go with my parentheses first. So if I'm going inside my parentheses, I have 11 plus 3 squared. Well, addition or exponents first? Exponents first. So I'm going to have 6 times 11 plus, well, 3 squared is 9. Okay, still in my innermost groupings. I have 11 plus 9. That gives me 20. Now I got my multiplication and division. So 6 times 20 is 120 over 8. And then 120 over 8 gives me 15. So if you think you have the hang of it, why don't you pause the video and try the next couple on your own. Hit play when you're ready, and I'll go through them. Alright, for this one, we have 18 minus 2 times 5 in the numerator, and denominator we have 15 plus 3 times negative 3. Well, let's start with our numerator first. I'm going to go subtraction, or am I going to go multiplication first? Multiplication. So I'm going to have 18 minus 10. In my denominator, I have 15 plus 3 times negative 3. Once again, got to go with the multiplication first. And we have 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. So 15 minus 9. Let's continue. 18 minus 10 is 8. 15 minus 9 is 6. 8 over 6 is 4 over 3. Bibbidi boppity, we're all done with that one. Number 3, we have 2 squared times 12 plus 8 all over 5. Got to start with my innermost groupings first. So I have 2 squared times, well, 12 plus 8 is 20 all over 5. Next thing, I'm already done with the innermost groupings. It's just 20. I got to go to my exponents because right here we have multiplication, and I can't do that before I do my exponents. So 2 squared is 4 times 20 all over 5. So I get 80 over 5 equals 16. And we're done. You can plug these into your calculator, but if you do, make sure that you are always putting parentheses around your numerator, the whole thing, and your denominator. Okay? Numerator and denominator. Sometimes you need double parentheses in some spots, and it looks kind of funny, but you got to make sure you have it. If you're having trouble with that, make sure you come in for some extra help.